G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's burger review time and here I am at Sunnybank. There's a place here called Fried Chicken Master. Now it's a Taiwanese restaurant and, well, I thought I'd go there for lunch, but it's too early. But they do have a breakfast menu and they do have a fried chicken and egg burger. So I'm going to whip in, try it and see what it's like. Now it's got a 4 Google star rating. We'll see what Google star rating the old Grego gives it when he tries the burger. So let's go in and grab one. Alright, well here we go, the fried chicken and egg burger. It's on the breakfast menu, $6.80 it cost, and well, I tell you what, it smells really good, so I can't wait to suss it out. So let's do that now. And I gotta say, inside that restaurant was very beautiful. Da 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 da. Have a look at that. Oh, a nice toasted sesame seed bun. What more do you want? Well, I want some fried chicken. Oh, and there we go. It looks like they've just gone to the Coles frozen section, grabbed out the chicken schnitzels. But, well, we'll give it a taste, see what it's like. Now, there is something on there. I'll see what that tastes like later. And here we go. We've got a fried egg with some other sauce there. That's nice and thin. Oh, it's got a real Asian smell about it. Then we've got some lettuce. Tons of lettuce. And then underneath, looks like we have some tomato and onion. And some more clear stuff. Oh, interesting. I wonder what all these sauces are, though. I wonder what this one is. It looks like a gel. Tastes like a sugary butter or a clarified butter that's got sugar in it. And there was another sauce on here, a brown sauce. Oh, hey. That coughing is a good thing, not a bad thing. It's a very Asian style sauce. Could be a soy mixed with an oyster or something like that. A little bit sweet, but it tastes very nice. But what about this fried chicken? What's that taste like? Well, that's what it looks like. Tastes like a crumbed fried chicken from the supermarket. But it tastes pretty good. Nice and juicy, a little bit oily and nice and greasy, and it'd probably be a good hangover feed, I reckon. There's so much lettuce on this, I'm pretty sure the vegans will love it. Ooh yeah. Tastes probably about as good as you'd probably expect it would. It's got a nice crunch about it, a little bit of sweetness about it as well. But that sweetness isn't too bad. Normally I'm turned off at sweetness and like chickens and things, unless it's sweet and sour chicken. But besides that, mate, I can taste those sauces. I can get the... Oh! This thing is very slippery. There's so much lettuce on here, even the vegans would eat it. Oh, I mean, it's tasting all right. Oh, yum. It's amazing what a difference just a little bit of raw onion can make. Once I got a little bit of that in my mouth, it blended in so beautifully with everything else, and it was just like a taste sensation in my mouth. I just need to find myself a little bit more onion and keep plowing through. Oh yeah. The only flavours I'm getting on this is the bread and that crunchy bit of chicken and some of the sauces. I can't taste the egg or tomato, but when I do get a bit of that onion, it really makes this taste so good. I just got this taste of white pepper then too. Mate, the more I dive into this burger, the better it gets. First bite in, I was like, oh yeah, but as I keep going through, it's getting tastier and tastier. Now, like I said, Fried Chicken Master's got a 4 Google star rating. I wonder how many Grego stars this burger will get. Value-wise, $6.80. Mate, find me somewhere else that you can get a burger for $6.80 nowadays that's, well, a half-decent size. Size of this is really good. Flavour-wise, well, it's got the cheap chicken on there, and it's got an egg and some other things on there. And the sauces are sweet, but they're not too sweet. They actually really complement this burger, and well, it is a Taiwanese place, so you expect it to have some sort of Asian sort of flavours, and well, it does deliver, but it's not overpoweringly strong. It's got a nice subtle sweetness and all blends in really nicely together, and I'm really enjoying it. So for my Grego star rating, I think this burger deserves, well, I think it deserves an 8.5 out of 10, which is 4.25 Grego stars. It's a decent size, it's a decent flavour, it tastes good. It's on the breakfast menu, so you'd have to come down before 11 to grab it, but mate, I love finding places like this that I've never been to and, well, in areas that I would never usually go to because they're so far away. But this burger is an absolute treat, and if I was around here at breakfast time, I'd definitely whip in and grab something off their menu. It looks really good, and the prices there are pretty good too. As far as Fried Chicken Master though, well, they're no KFC. This does seem very processed and straight from a packet, but it's quite tasty and I am enjoying it. Well, I'm going to sit here, finish this off and ponder what's next I can try to eat around this area. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat a burger. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are fingerling.